How to redeem Google Play gift card. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to redeem Google Play gift card. In order to redeem your Google Play gift card, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with the procedure, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Once you open up a Play Store, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and here go to payment and subscription. Once you go to payment and subscriptions, under it you'll be able to find multiple options. Go ahead and tap on a redeem code. So all you need to do is you can either enter in the code that's on the card, or else you can simply scan the card by tapping on scan gift card button, and automatically the gift card is going to be added to your Play Store. And that's basically how you can redeem Google Play gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.